Greetings, YouTube. I like to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Today is indeed Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And in today's video, we will bring you guys a first-time look at the new and improved Sweet Baby Red. We're done with construction over YouTube, Sweet Baby Red. And although Sweet Baby Red is not yet red, we're going to give you guys a look at what Sweet Baby Red looks like right now at this point. We're going to show you guys also what we plan on planting today at Sweet Baby Red. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah, yes indeed, YouTube. Take a look at the newly constructed Sweet Baby Red. Right here in our front yard garden extended grow area, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Yes indeed. Sweet Baby Red is now a 4-foot by 8-foot, 2-sectioned planter here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Sweet Baby Red is currently 20 inches in depth. And as you can see, we already have Sweet Baby Red filled with our organics in both chambers. We're now going to fill both of these planters with our favorite garden soil. I'm going to flip this camera around right now and show you what that is. We have about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bags of this Miracle-Gro garden soil. We're going to fill each one of these planters up with this garden soil. We're going to top it off with our favorite brand of composted cow manure. Then we're going to come back and plant our herb garden, YouTube. We're planting herbs this year at Mrs. Sharon Harris's planter, Sweet Baby Red. I'm going to show you what those herbs are right now. We have our rosemary. We have our lemon thyme. We have our confetti cilantro. We have our flat Italian parsley. And we have our sweet mint. And we will be planting these 5 herbs in the left side of Sweet Baby Red. Now here's what we're going to be planting in the right side of Sweet Baby Red. Take a look at this, YouTube. We have our sweet banana peppers. We have our Bonnie Centennial tomato. We have our yellow bell pepper. We have our sweet basil. And we have our celebrity hybrid tomato. And we will indeed be planting these 5 pots in the right side of Sweet Baby Red and these 5 pots in the left side of Sweet Baby Red. We're going to go ahead right now at this point, get these 2 chambers of our garden planter filled with our, again, favorite garden soil. Top that off with our favorite brand of composted cow manure. Chop that in real well. Come back, sprinkle it down with a little blood and bone, and then we're going to come back and plant our herb garden over at Sweet Baby Red. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back. As you can see, we filled both of our chambers with our favorite brand of garden soil, that Miracle-Gro garden soil. We filled our chambers with fairly equal amounts of that soil. We're going to come back now, top both of these chambers off with our favorite brand of composted cow manure, that evergreen. We're going to put half of this bag in the right chamber and the other half in the left chamber. And then we're going to come back and plant our herb garden at Sweet Baby Red. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back here at Sweet Baby Red. We have our herbs in position in the spots in which we intend to plant them in. We have our 2 tomato plants back in the back side of this planter. We know that the sun rises from behind us and sets in front of us. We know that both of our tomato plants will indeed get pretty tall, so we didn't want our tomato plants shading out either our peppers or our basil we have here in the front. We're going to plant our tomato plants in the spots you see them in, our peppers in the spots that you see them in. Our basil, we have several basil seedlings in here. We're going to divide these seedlings up and plant 3 basil seedlings across the front of here. here in this right chamber. We're going to plant these herbs in the position that you see we have them in as well. That pot back there in the back, we're going to divide that up into two. There's actually 3 plants in that spot, in that pot back there. We're going to divide that up into 2 sections there. Plant one over here and plant those 2 smaller ones over there on that side of the bed over there. And we'll bring you guys back in about 10 to 15 minutes once we have all of our herbs planted here at Sweet Baby Red. We'll show you what they look like, and then we'll give them a good watering in. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, we're back. And this is what Mrs. Sharon Harris's herb garden is looking like right here, right now, at Sweet Baby Red. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Our basil, our yellow bell peppers, our Centennial Determinant tomato plant, our Celebrity Hybrid tomato plant, our lemon thyme, our sweet mint, our confetti cilantro, our rosemary, our flat Italian parsley, and our other confetti cilantro plant. This one's for you, Mrs. Sharon Harris. And indeed, things are looking well right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia, in your herb garden. Sweet Baby Red. We're gonna get these plants watered in right now, and we'll bring you guys another update on Mrs. Sharon Harris's planter, Sweet Baby Red, in her herb garden in about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video on Sweet Baby Red and Mrs. Sharon Harris's herb garden, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing herbs at Sweet Baby Red.